ang mansanas ni Sarah. Si Sarah may ara nga mansanas. Pula ang kolor sang mansanas, matamis ang damil sini, manamit man ini kaunon. Paborito gid niya ang mansanas, masustansya man ini. Ginakaon niya ini pagkatapos ang panyaga. Nagapanagtag man siya sa iya utod kon kisa. Ang mansanas ni Sarah, that means Sarah's apple. Si Sarah may ara nga mansanas, so Sarah has an apple. May ara means like there is or there are, there has or have. So Sarah has an apple. Pula ang kolor sang mansanas, so the color of the apple is red, pula is red, and color is color. Matamis ang damil sini, matamis is sweet. And then damil, that's the taste. So it tastes sweet, or so the taste of this is sweet. Manamit man ini kaunon, it is also delicious when eaten. Manamit, delicious. Man is also, ini is this. Kaon is like eat. Paborito gid niya ang mansanas, so paborito is favorite. Gid is an intensifier, really. So mansanas is her favorite, is really her favorite. Masustansya man ini, this is also nutritious, masustansya. Ginakaon niya ini pagkatapos ang panyaga, kaon is eat. Pagkatapos after, and then panyaga is lunch. So she eats this, she eats the apple after lunch. Nagapanagtag man siya sa iya utod. Kung kisa panagtag is like share or give. Utod is a sibling, kun kis amin sometimes. So she also sometimes shares with her sibling. Ang mansanas ni Sarah. Si Sarah may ara nga mansanas, pula ang kolor sang mansanas. Matamis ang damil sini, manamit man ini kaunon. Paborito gid niya ang mansanas. Masustansya man ini, ginakaon niya ini pagkatapos ang panyaga. Nagapanagtag man siya sa iya utod kun kisa ang mansanas ni Sarah.